Life is full of little adventures, and sometimes those adventures leave a mark. But don't worry, messes are just moments waiting to be cleaned. When faced with wet and sticky messes, allergy-causing dust and fur, or even spilled snacks, UV Care got my family covered. Meet my ultimate cleaning partner, the UV Care Ultra Clean Hydrovac Plus, the all-in-one solution for busy moms like me. With an advanced AI feature, the UV Care Ultra Clean Hydrovac Plus intelligently detects messes and automatically adjusts suction power. A built-in LED searchlight ensures that I don't miss a spot. Captures ultrafine dust and instantly kills viruses with medical-grade HEPA filter with the UV Care Virux patented technology. From carpets, sofas, curtains, and everything else in between, it's versatile enough for every surface. The best part, it's equipped with UVC light that eliminate disease-causing germs and bacteria. UV Care Ultra Clean Hydrovac Plus is my ultimate cleaning partner. Powered with 100% electrolyzed water that acts as a powerful disinfectant. It does it all. Vacuums, mops, prevents allergies, fights germs. It even cleans itself.
Full cycle self-cleaning.
Say goodbye to cleaning worries and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. With UV Care Ultra Clean Hydrovac Plus, your ultimate defense against allergens and germs.